To improve your immune system, you need to learn to love yourself. Without self-love, other methods on their own, like diets or exercise, may will not work as much. Self-love is absolutely necessary for you to improve your immune system. Immune system problems are very common, and if you have weak immune system, you have frequent colds, viral infections, COVID, autoimmune illnesses, allergies, food intolerances, sensitivities to chemicals or any other products, and even cancer. You can spend millions of dollars on healthy food, vitamins, minerals, supplements, trying to improve your immune system, but it may not help you at all to improve your health. Because the truth is that to improve your immune system, you need to become more loving, more compassionate, and kind to yourself. You need to create this balance inside you, like a harmonious atmosphere inside your own temple. And your own temple is your own body. And yes, it is about your self-talk, how you talk to yourself and what you think about yourself and your own life. Let's look at the function of immune system. Immune system function is to protect you from the foreign objects. A healthy immune system should identify and eliminate viruses, bacteria, toxins, allergens, and even cancer cells from your body. So if your immune system is healthy, you should be totally healthy because there is no toxic or foreign objects in your body. In my book, The Secret Energy of Your Body, I describe that immune system break down when you experience inner conflict, doubt, irritation, and anger. It deteriorates when you're forcing things to happen instead of allowing them to happen, when you're feeling unloved, neglected, and thinking that you never get what you want in life and that other people take advantage of you. It means that you produce foreign objects inside yourself using your own thoughts and feelings. Therefore, your thoughts and feelings are foreign objects. How this happens? If you take a blood sample from a person who is generally happy, you will find chemicals of happiness in his or her blood. And if you take a blood sample from a person who is stressed, unhappy, angry, you will find stress chemicals inside his or her blood. And these chemicals affect your own immune system. Therefore, to improve your immune system, you need to create balance inside yourself, using loving thoughts, positive intentions, and become compassionate and loving and kind to yourself. Every time you speak, your cells record everything. They listen to your self-talk and record. All these negative recordings inside your cells become cellular memories. Cellular memories is when your body remember the events from the past. In this case, the events will be your own self-talk. So this is how you program your immune system to health or to deterioration and illness. So what you need to do in order to improve your immune system? Basic thing, you need to understand that you need to rebalance your own energy. This is what harmony means, rebalancing energetic field. There is energy that runs through your body. It enters your body through the top of your head at the time of birth, and it leaves the body when we die. So when you die, it's only your flesh, your organs and muscles and bones die, but energy goes back to the collective consciousness. You are very healthy when this energy runs through your body nicely. And you become unhealthy when the energy is blocked. Therefore, To heal, you need to rebalance this energy. What are the steps I want to suggest you to rebalance your energy? Step number 1. Always say nice words to yourself and about your life. Because your body is listening and recording everything what you say about yourself to yourself. Step number 2. In the morning, when you just get up in the morning, look in the mirror inside your own eyes. Just connect to your own eyes and say, I love you, and say your name. So about myself, I would say, I love you, Arina. I love you, Arina. And repeat it 10 times until you really feel it. This is a good exercise to understand how comfortable you are with self-love. And if you feel this exercise is weird or you can't do it, you feel it's like, oh, I can't do it. This is the criteria that loving yourself is not something you are comfortable with. You need to be comfortable with self-love to improve your immune system. Step number 3. You need to feel and sense your subtle energy on daily basis and clean it. Watch my other video about how to clean your subtle energy to keep your energetic field nice and pure and clean from all the foreign objects. The clearer your aura, your energy field is, the healthier you are, and your immune system is healthier when your energy is clean. Step number 4. You need to stop your brain chatter. Brain chatter is a voice in your head that continuously chatting, chap, 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 blah, blah, blah. But most of it is just rubbish. Listening to the brain chatter continuously will deteriorate your immune system. So you need to stop listening to the brain chatter and instead focus on your heart and feel sensations inside your own chest, the energy of your heart, rather than listening to the brain chatter. This exercise alone will improve your immune system, listening to the sensations, feelings in your heart, rather than listening to the brain chatter. And the last thing I want to recommend you is to practice conscious breathing. Conscious breathing is when you become aware of your own breath flowing through the middle part of your body, and you really feel it, the breath going in and out, in and out. So practice conscious breathing for 10-15 minutes every day. And it will also improve your immune system, because every time you focus on your breath, you bring yourself into the present moment, and healing happens in the present moment. You will improve your immune system very fast if you bring more love into yourself, harmony and balance in your own energetic field. And food, vitamins and supplements, they can be still important, but alone they will not improve your immune system. You will need to combine them with energy healing techniques that I described to create love and balance in your own temple, and your own temple is your own body. Please like this video for me to know if this information is important to you, and I will create more videos like that about different organs and different systems in the future.